Good afternoon, everybody. It's Wendy here for Wendy's Craft, and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator living in Narberth, Pembrokeshire, Wales. Now, I've been playing today because I'm just about to make up another album. So I've been playing with making tags. So in this one, it went a little bit skew-iff, but on the whole, I'm quite happy with that one. And I thought today, then, I would show you how I've still got bits left to do, how I've made this one. Yeah, you can't see that. Right, well, first of all, I cut them out. I didn't mean to cut them out. Right, I got two templates here. What I've done is I've used the bigger template, and I'm using craft cards, and it's 300 GSM. So it's not too thick, but it's thick enough. So I cut that out like that, and I thought, how am I going to, especially if there's a hole in the middle, what you do is, I've turned around that way. You cut the sides as to how much you want it, then you turn it over and centralise it, then cut two up there and across there. When you turn it over, then it's still going to be up there, but what you need to do is cut, about a ½ centimetre off the bottom there, and then just pull it down, and there you are. Oop, you will have, believe it or not. And there we have the little gap all the way around. So now that's what I did, and then I marked the centre of it, and I used my clippy cloppy thingy, crocodile. I used that, and I put the little, what are they called? I don't know, forgotten. So, try and make yourself templates. It's not difficult to do, but as you can see, if you look at that, you get that little even edge all the way around. I'm sure you can be a lot closer than I can with that. So now that's what I've done. I've taken this paper from, where is it? Oh. From the Beauty of the, can you see that one? Oh. From the Beauty of the Earth DSP. And here it gives us all the colours that go with it. Get that, it's there on the back there. I covered it over with them, but that's where you find out what colours will match it. Now I've got my hot glue gun on, so watch out, here we come, eh? Right, what I want to do now, I just want to pretty it up a bit. Right, just make sure that doesn't tip over. It's been tipping over a lot today. Put that there underneath. Don't, it might be. Right, first of all, it can't be a Wendy thing without a butterfly, can it? So, oh gosh, that's very sticky. So I'm going to put the butterfly in the middle there. And this hello is going to go, use a bit of hot glue for that. Oh, it's been a hot day again here today. I hope it's a nice day wherever you are. And before you say anything, yes, I know that's the wrong way round, but that's where I got it, and I don't want to throw it away. I didn't think, oh yeah, I could have done the sentiment to the other side, so never mind. So I'm going to put the hello there, and this is now entirely up to you as to where you want to put the little bees. So be very careful, it is hot glue gun. I've been thinking actually that I might get a cold one. I don't think there was such a thing, but apparently there is. There's a cold, ouch. That's what keeps happening all day today. Where's my tweezers gone? Yeah, there is a cold glue gun. and I might actually invest in one of them because I am forever burning myself with a hot glue gun. My neighbour, bless her, she asked me, "Are you on the hot glue yet?" No. Why? I'd make sure the fire brigade are on call. Oh dear, we joke about things like that all the time. But fortunately, I've never had to call the fire brigade. Shouldn't talk too much that much, should I? So now you can see it's little bits and pieces coming. Now I've got two of them. I'm not sure what they are, whether they're bees or wasps. Wasps. But it's one of those I could be anything bee. Right, now we should get shine. Just put a little bit of glue on the back. And then I'm going to leave it at that then. Because that's my little tag. Oh, I forgot to tell you. It's Wild Wendy Wednesday. That's why I'm doing all these little diddy-wat thingies. Yeah, so hopefully I've made that clear to you now how you can make the tag and the inner to go with it. You don't want to stick there, do you? No. And you didn't want to stick there because your glue went dry. Oh. I find that these, I'm not sure the proper name for it, but I call them the upside down, the wrong way round tweezers. Because if you let go, they go like that. So that's why. But they're wonderful. Like I said, I'm not going to do any more to that. Then what I do is I get a little, ribbon. Now you can use this as a tag, or you can put it on the side of the card like that, which I think looks very nice. So that's my first little make. What time are we at now? Sorry. So I'm going to put that there. Now then that. Oh, here it is. Now this was another one out of my reduce, reuse, recycle bin. And this year, again, it's from the Beauty of the Earth DSP. I thought it looked a bit like a sea. So I'm going to see the sea before the sea sees me. Hang on, now wait a minute, Wendy. I think the best thing for me to do is put a little bit of glue on this side. Because I don't want glue going over the other side. And that would all go stuck together, wouldn't it? So I'm going to put this sort of half on and half off. So it more or less turns into a full card, a full baby card, I think it's called. I don't know. It's a Wendy thing. Right, so none of them. And then I went through my box of shiny things and I found these. And I thought I would add them to my little beach card. Right, you could behave yourself today. So I'm going to start with my tweezers. Not like that, I hasten to add. Just catching it on the end. You don't dribble out there. I've yet to get the correct whatever it is for the glue. Don't worry about that because when that dries you can take it off. Now this one started as a tag, but Wendy cut it wrong, didn't she? So I thought, oh, I wonder if it goes there, and it does, so I'm quite happy. Another one there. Yeah, I'm getting glue control now. Then we'll put another one up there. And my favourite, look, little seahorse. Then I'm going to put the seahorse, like I said, it's not a very long film, video. I've been waiting to do it, waiting for the delivery all day. And it arrived, and then I thought, great. Set everything up, and then the doorbell went again. So I'm not having much joy with being a quiet time, am I? It's a lovely little shell. That I can do on there. And then the sea star starfish. And the starfish, he's got a smiley face, look. Oh, I never saw him before there. A smiley face. And I'm going to pop that on there. And I haven't brought sentiment out even, but that's what I've been up to today. Did this one earlier on, which I think is lovely because the papers I'm going to be using are very similar to these papers. So I've done that one, and this is the one with Beauty of the Earth DSP, and also using the same DSP is this one. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe because I'm getting very close now to 150, which means it's going to be a giveaway. Okay then, love you all. Take care. Bye.